So the fuel pump on my Onan 4000 generator failed, and it was starting intermittently, and then it just would shut off, and then it just shut off altogether, wouldn't start. So I think it just failed over time, just got wore out. I purchased it with the vehicle used, so they recommend that you change it every 500 hours, and it definitely surpassed that. So I think it just, wore out over time. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to change it and what I experienced along the way. All right, so let's get started. So as you can see here, it didn't want to start. So first thing was to disconnect the battery so that it could prevent any sparking from happening, and then disconnected the fuel line from the fuel filter and fuel pump. Next up, I just removed the battery cable from the solenoid, and then the two T30 torque screws from the circuit board. Once I had the circuit board positioned, I was able to remove the plug, and then the fuel filter and pump is located behind that. Just another torque screw, and then it was able to come free. As you can see here, it's pretty nasty, and it's been there for a long time. So I just disconnected the power source and then the clamp to the fuel line, and then removed the fuel line. Once removed, I just grabbed the new fuel pump and filter and then put it into place, reconnecting it, and then connecting the hose back to it again. After everything was connected, just tightened everything back down. Then reconnected the fuel line. Plugged back in the circuit board and tightened it down to the frame of the generator. Then I just reconnected the battery cable to the solenoid, tightened it down. Primed it, and it was ready to start. All right, so that's it. We got it all in place and ready to go. Should last another 500 hours or so, and for me, that's roughly like one rental season. I always get great tips from people that watch these videos, so if this worked for you, let me know in the comment section, or if you have an experience that's different or maybe even a helpful tip, I'd love to hear it. Leave that in the comment section as well. As always, thanks for watching the channel and supporting. If you happen to get value out of it, hit the like button and consider subscribing. And of course, we'll see you on the next video. Take care.